Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are at Revo Houses Kitengela. This is an estate that is located exactly 550 meters from Magadi Road, and it contains 10 units of 3-bedroom all-en-suite bungalows with a print area of 145 square meters. Each home is built on a 40 by 90 lot, and the price of each house is 6.5 million. Each of the 10 units come with a front yard like this one, a space here and here for your flowers, add a 2-car parking that will be constructed on this side. From here, I want to take all of you into the house and I'll show you every detail of one of these bungalows. But before I do that, I have a message for our diaspora clients. We love you so much and we appreciate your support 100%. But these are not called prison windows. They are called Italian design windows. Originally, the design came from Italy, but it has been adopted heavily in the African construction industry. Furthermore, this is Nairobi, not Miami. Let's get inside. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this home. And I am excited by these 2 windows and the transparent metal casement door, and in combination, they are making this living room very well lit. The usable space of this living room is big enough to fit a 5-seater couch like this one, or if you have a bigger family, you can add a 2 or 3-seater here. The beauty of this living room is magnified by these very well done gypsum ceilings, a very good lighting system, and this African goddess. On the opposite side, you have your TV area, and below it here, you have another space that is set aside for your other electronics. The homes in this estate adopt the open floor design, and next to me, you have your dining area. The dining area is already big enough to fit a family of 6 people. But if you have a bigger family, there is an extra space here and on the other side for the same. The dining area comes with its own window and a very beautiful light fixture. Next to me, you have the kitchen of this home. The kitchen is separated from the dining area by this countertop. And below here, you can put 2 or 3 chairs, and this counter table will act as a breakfast table. This side is left for your refrigerator, and next to it, you have the pantry of this unit. Just come inside. The pantry is big enough for your storage, and it comes with several drawers here. I do not understand why you would keep a Go TV in a pantry. Let's continue. This door leads to the kitchen garden and the laundry area. Next to it, you have the sink area, and it comes with a double sink for easy washing and rinsing. This space is left for your cooking stove, and as you can see, it's big enough to fit a 6-burner stove like this one. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and you have granite countertops all over, and you have these sockets here for your other appliances. The kitchen comes with these mahogany-like floors that blends very well with the rest of the kitchen. Let me show you the laundry area. The laundry area of this home is here, and as you can see, it comes with 2 sockets for your washer and dryer. The kitchen garden and the backyard is on this other side of the kitchen, and I can see some pumpkins growing up there. Let's get back inside. From the laundry area, I want to take all of you to the left wing of this home, and this wing is left for the bedrooms and the common bathroom. Let's start from the first bedroom. The first bedroom comes with its washroom here and its floor-to-ceiling wardrobe on this other side. The bedroom also comes with these 3 big windows that gives this room a very natural look. The sliding closets of this room are big enough for your kids, and they come with a sectioned part here and 3 drawers. On the other side, you have a space for your hangable clothes. The wardrobes also comes with extra storage up there. From here, let me show you the washroom. This washroom is big enough for your kids, and it comes with a water closet here, a shower cubicle on this side, and a wash basin here. The bathroom comes with all the other showering amenities, and that's all for this bathroom. From here, I'll take you to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. This bedroom is exactly the same size as the first one, but this one comes with a maroon theme. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one, or a 6x6 bed, and it comes with a very big window that faces the closet on the other side. Let me show you the closet. The closet is of the similar size to the one that we saw in the first bedroom, and this space is for your hangable clothes. The other spaces are for your foldable clothes. Let me show you the washroom. This bathroom is slightly bigger than the one that we found in the first bedroom. It comes with all the basic amenities, and its showering cubicle is here. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. Before I show you the primary bedroom, I want all of you to see the common washroom. At the entrance, you have a wash basin and a mirror. On this far end, you have the water closet and a tissue holder. Let's head to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is here. From the look of things, this is the biggest of all the bedrooms, and it comes with a queen-size bed here, and these 3 big windows that make this room look very spacious. I would love to spend a night here, but I have an non-existent partner and I do not have money to buy such a house, unless you subscribe and you like this video. Let me show you the closet. This is the biggest of the wardrobes that you will see today, and as you can see, it's big for you and your partner. The wardrobe comes with a space here for your hangable clothes, a space here for your foldable clothes, and 3 drawers. The other side is just similar to this, and you have extra storage up here. From here, I'll take you to the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest of all the bathrooms, and it comes with a wash basin here, a water closet, and a shower cubicle that is big enough to fit you and your partner. The bathroom comes with extra fittings like a double towel holder, a toothbrush holder, and a shaving light. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and before I go, I would like you to tell me why you are still keeping your money in the bank instead of investing on something like this. Anyway, subscribe.